Okay, that was slick. Frozen over. I think it's safe to drive because it's not that bad.
Walking by the pool. Come on, Maverick.
I think I'm gonna fly the drone out. Let me just... Good. I can't open it. Well, I think I brought this. Ooh. Okay. Glad I got that out of the way. I am going to walk all the way to 7-Eleven. Why? Because that is what a 33-year-old should do. Oh boy. All these poor duckies. Apparently someone already did donuts in here. Oh boy. Yep, that's the water. Alright, now I'm on my way to 7-Eleven. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the 7-Eleven. Slowly but surely, the hot Cheetos and the Red Bull, they're calling my name. I got a rip on my pants. When did this happen? Not in public like that? God, what a degenerate I am. We made it! We made it! 7-Eleven. I'm saved. Hell yeah. Hello. Well, I got too much. Okay. Got the goods and heading back to the house. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day and ice skis. I haven't said that word forever. Ah.